In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snooze emails and Spark Mail on iPhone. Snoozing is a simple way to keep your inbox clean without losing track of messages that actually need attention later. Instead of leaving an email sitting there as visual clutter, you can temporarily set it aside and have it come back exactly when you're ready to deal with it. Let's walk through how to do this smoothly in Spark Mail on your iPhone. First, open the Spark Mail app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to update so your latest messages load. If you use multiple accounts in Spark, make sure you're viewing the inbox where the email you want to snooze lives. Next, open the specific email you want to snooze. Tap to view the message so you're inside the full email, not just the preview list. You can choose any message, maybe a receipt you want to file later, a reminder for an event, or a request you plan to handle after a meeting. Once the email is open, look along the bottom toolbar for the snooze icon. It looks like a small clock. Tap that clock. If you don't see the toolbar, try tapping once on the screen to bring it back, or scroll slightly so the controls reappear. The key is that you must be in the opened email view to access the snooze option. You'll now see a selection of preset times. These are quick choices designed for common scenarios, like later today, tomorrow, or next week. And they're great when you just want to defer something with a couple of taps. If those don't fit, choose Pick Date and Time. This lets you set a precise day and time, which is perfect for scheduling the message to return right before a deadline or at the start of your workday. Take a second to align the time with when you're actually free to respond. If you travel frequently, remember that snoozes follow your phone's current time zone. After you confirm the snooze, the email will disappear from your inbox. Don't worry, it isn't deleted. Spark simply moves it out of sight so you can focus on what's actionable right now. At the scheduled time, it will pop back into your inbox, usually at the top as if it's brand new. Depending on your notification settings, you may also get an alert when it returns. That's all there is to it. Open Spark, open the message, tap the clock, pick a time, and let Spark bring it back when you're ready. Try it on a low-stakes email to build the habit, and watch how much calmer your inbox feels.